Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Audi A7 tire. First, ensure your safety by parking on a level, firm surface and engaging the parking brake. Next, locate your spare tire, jack, and lug wrench, typically found in the trunk. Finally, for added safety, place wheel chocks behind the tire diagonally opposite the one you'll be changing. Now, before lifting the car, use your lug wrench to loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire by about 1/4 to 1/2 turn. Don't remove them yet. Then, find the designated jack points on your Audi A7, usually marked with arrows or reliefs on the chassis under the doors. Carefully position the jack and raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground. With the car lifted, you can now fully remove all the lug nuts and carefully take off the flat tire. It can be heavy, so be mindful. Next, align the spare tire with the wheel studs and carefully mount it onto the hub. Once the spare is in place, hand tighten the lug nuts to ensure it's seated correctly before lowering the vehicle. Gently lower the vehicle until the spare tire just touches the ground, then use your lug wrench to fully tighten the lug nuts in a star or crisscross pattern. Once tightened, lower the car completely and remove the jack and wheel chocks. Remember to check the spare tire's pressure as soon as possible and get your flat tire repaired. Also, check the description for the link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.